In the North Bay, first responders are on high alert, anticipating power outages as well as downed trees thanks to this upcoming storm.
KRON 4's Gayle continues our team coverage. She's live in Santa Rosa. And Gayle, what are they telling you tonight?
Ella and Grant, firefighters are concerned about the burn scars from the glass fire, but the concern is really those winds ahead of the storm.
We do anticipate some pretty strong gusty winds, not only in the ridges and hilltops, but down into the valley floors.
Paul Lowenthal, fire marshal with the Santa Rosa Fire Department, is keeping a close eye on the forecast. A heavy storm system is expected to bring rain, strong winds, and thunderstorms Saturday. Lowenthal says even holiday decorations are a concern.
We really don't want to have a lot of those decorations being either blown out into the street or creating problems or damage on people's properties. So definitely secure them, deflate them, turn them off.
Back in September, wind gusts tossed power lines and trees in Santa Rosa, even bringing this tree on a car. No one was hurt. Santa Rosa has also seen major flooding in the past.
The rainfall totals have come down, and so we do still have some concern based on the rainfall rates and potentially the amount, so there could be some localized flooding.
But Lowenthal says this time, firefighters are bracing for widespread power outages and downed trees.
We anticipate this system should hopefully push through quickly, bring some beneficial rain, and then we'll see what the future brings.
And in case any flooding materializes, the Santa Rosa Fire Department, they are prepared. They have boats hooked up just in case, which is typical ahead of a significant storm. Reporting live in Santa Rosa, Gayle, KRON 4 News.